Hi, it's Lynne with Soft Squares. We are going to work on the ugly sweater. The pattern we're using is Favorite Christmas Sweater by Ruby Star Society, and this is part 2. All right, I'm going to announce the winner of the giveaway that I did in the last video. If you don't know about that, you just have to watch the videos because you never know when there's going to be one. But anyway, I had entries for this and the drawing happened. And so the winner will be posted next as well as below in the comments. So I need that person to email me at lynne@softsquares.com. Today we're going to just do more cutting and walking through the process a little bit. I don't know if we're going to get to sewing. Let's see where it goes. 2 of our ugly Christmas sweater, and last time I went through and I matched up all the pieces that I needed, and I'm just going to show you one of those so you can see. Let me find a kind of one that doesn't need so many. Some of these needed to be pieced, and I think I'm in the pile of all the piecing ones. Oh well, we'll do it this way. Okay, so here's the bottom. His top is going to be pieced and look like that. He has 2 arms. They're going to look like that. And he's got the cuffs on his sleeves and his collar. All right, so I am going to show you how to put this block together, because what you do after you've done all this is you cut your background pieces. And right now for the block, I only need 2 sizes. There's some in between and end pieces, but we're not worried about that right now. So I'm going to show you the easy way how to do this. I gotta keep my stuff together, or I'm really going to get confused later. All right, so here is our first complete outfit. So we have the top, the bottom, the collar. Well, this board's not big enough, but you'll still see what's going on. We have the 2 sleeves, and I do want to pay attention to direction. And then there's cuffs on both of the sleeves. Okay, now we are going to, I'm missing a piece. Of course I am. All right, so now we're going to add, sew those together, and then these are going to go in there like this. And it actually comes together very quickly, very easily. So the first thing you're going to do is sew your cuffs to your sleeves and your body to the upper part of the shirt. So you have these that you've already sewn. And then you kind of look at them again and go, let's see. Now that looks good. So then you're going to take your, struggling, there we go, pieces and see how we're doing. Now the next step is we're going to sew this to this and this to this, and then we're going to sew these 2 to this. So we'll have 3 pieces and then a long strip across the top. I've already done that for you. Oh, we're upside down. So here is our body. Here is one of the sleeves with the bottom piece, and then the other sleeve with its bottom piece, and then the neck with the top piece. Now the seams aren't in there yet, so things don't look like it will match up, but it will. But you see the shirt now? Isn't that cute? Okay, so the next step, there's that piece, is sew the 2 sides to the middle. So all you have left is to sew the neck on, and look at that, it matches. And again, I've got directional print, so I was just making sure I was going the right direction. And this was a true ugly Christmas sweater because it's got interesting fabrics going on with this one. And then when you're all done and you put it together, you get one of these, and this is an ugly Christmas sweater. I had to piece it together, and I think it's cute because it almost looks like a cardigan. So there's that, and my block is done. Okay, so after you make all the blocks for the quilt, there's going to be some other pieces to it. not many, but there's the strip that goes between the blocks, one on each side, and then when we get to the end of a row, and not all rows will have this, but there's a large block because they're going to be offset. And that's all you've got. Now the pattern does give you directions on how to cut out your first border using the same fabric as this. I have chosen to skip that. I'm going to use different fabrics as my borders, so I don't have that part cut out yet. I'm going to wait till the end. So that's what I have so far with this. And actually the most time-consuming part was figuring out what I wanted to do and coordinating my sets, because sewing them together has been very quick and very easy. And like I said, this one's almost done. Put this one on there. It's going to be so cute. So it will be a little bit, but I will update you when I get to where I'm doing more on this. And I think that's it for today. Tell me what you think about this, and if you're interested in this kit, you can go to my Etsy site where I have a couple of these for sale, and then I am giving one away from the last video. And if you guys have any questions, just let me know. Thanks. Have a great day.